In this session we are going to learn about object properties in AutoCAD. Object properties control the appearance and behavior of objects and are used to organize a drawing. Every object has general properties including its layer, color, line type scale, line weight, transparency and plot style. In addition, objects have properties that are specific to their type. For example, the special properties of a circle include its radius and area. When you specify the current properties in a drawing, all newly created objects use those settings automatically. For example, if you set the current layer to dimensions, the objects that you create will be on the dimensions layer. Use the properties palette. The properties palette provides the most complete list of all property settings. If no objects are selected, you can view and change the current properties to be used for all new objects. If a single object is selected, you can view and change the properties for that object. If several objects are selected, you can view and change their common properties. Use the quick properties palette. Generally, you can double click an object to open the quick properties palette and make changes to its properties. Several types of objects open an editor or start an object specific command when you double click them instead of the quick properties palette. These types of objects include blocks, polylines, splines and text. The customized user interface dialog box controls what palette or command is used when you double click each type of object. Use the properties panel on the ribbon. On the home tab of the ribbon, use the layers and properties panels to verify or change the settings for the most commonly accessed properties: layer, color, line type and line weight. We will see this in our software. Here you can see the properties toolbar. In this toolbar, we can change colors of lines, line weight, line type. Here we can customize the other line type also. Click here in other, load. Here we can see different types of line types. We can select from here which line type you want. I will select center. OK. Click OK. Now here we can see center line. If you want this line, select here and click this line. OK. See, this line is transformed into center line. This type we can use the properties toolbar. Here we can change the line weight also. Okay.